In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate SQL queries in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prompt Gemini for accurate, well-structured SQL and how to safely test the results in your own database environment. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser or app. Make sure you're signed in and ready to start a new chat. Once you're in, you'll enter a clear prompt that tells Gemini what you want. Keep your language straightforward and specific so the model understands your intent without guesswork. Now ask Gemini to generate SQL queries for you. The key to great results is context. First, specify the database system you're using, like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, or SQLite. Each has small syntax differences, and naming it upfront helps Gemini tailor the query correctly. Next, describe your table structure or schema in plain language. List the table names, columns, and relevant data types or constraints such as primary keys or foreign keys. If there are relationships, mention how tables join together and on which keys. Define the purpose of your query so Gemini knows what to produce. Say whether you need a select to read data, an insert to add rows and update to modify records, a delete to remove data, or a join or aggregation to combine and summarize information. If you need filters, sorting, grouping, limits, or pagination, include those details in your prompt. You can also ask Gemini to include comments explaining each part of the query. This makes it easier to understand the logic, adjust it later, and share it with teammates. If you care about speed or security, request an optimized or parameterized version. Parameterized queries help prevent injection issues and make it easier to plug values in from your application code. When your prompt is ready, send it and let Gemini generate the SQL. Read the output carefully. If something looks off or you need a variation, ask Gemini to refine it, adjust table or column names, change filters, or add indexes where appropriate. Finally, review and test the query in your own database environment. Start cautiously, especially with update or delete statements. Consider running a select first to preview affected rows, adding a limit where supported, or testing inside a transaction you can roll back. Check that the results match your expectations, validate performance on real data, and keep an eye on execution plans if you're tuning queries. That's it. With clear prompts and a bit of context, Gemini can generate reliable SQL that you can confidently run and maintain.